welcome to my channel. My name is Lily, and today we are going to be talking about cottagecore fails. Okay, so I know that you all have probably, if you've done any DIY at all, you have had some fails. And yeah, I've had kind of a chain of fails lately. And it makes me so sad. I'm usually kind of sort of good at this, at DIYs, and it's just like everything I touched lately just, goes awful. So I am actually going to show you a how-to video on some of this stuff, but let me show you this. Here is what not to do. I'm making like these little gingerbread men, like lots of gingerbread men. And so, yeah, I started, let me just start with my fails. Look at that. It's so terrible. It's just bad. Yeah. So it inspired me to go and see who else has some cottagecore DIY fails. I actually put a post on Reddit and was asking these questions, and then I was just kind of searching the internet to see some other DIY fails. It makes me feel better about myself, I guess. Let's look at some other people's DIY failures. Oh, I love this. I've heard this really works, and I imagine it smells great. So here we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. And oh no, that would happen to me. That would happen to me, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, and to probably catch the room. You know, I'm glad I saw this because maybe I won't do this. All right, so this is another one that I wanted to try, and it was on my list, my fall list, and I just didn't quite get around to it yet, but I'm like, oh, this looks so simple, right? Who couldn't do this? This is great. And here is the actual craft. Ew. Ew. Yeah, it lacks something there. I'm sorry. That would be mine. Especially the way things are going lately. That would be mine. I remember a job I had a few years ago where they did this exact Christmas tree, and it was so great. I had nothing to do with it. So maybe that's why it was so great. I don't know. But I thought about it. I thought about doing it. And yeah, so it looks pretty. I've actually known a lot of friends do this one, but yeah. Let's look at this. Oh, that's actually a little scary. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad that's not my tree. Let's see. Okay, so here's another Christmas craft. We're gonna focus kind of on fall and Christmas right now. And here is, now, oh, hey, these little snow globes, I've seen this done over and over and over, and it looks so stinking cute and so stinking simple. So I'm thinking, what could go wrong, right? Oh no, somebody call 911. Oh, that's awful. Oh, Frosty, I'm so sorry. Better luck next year, buddy. Okay. Who hasn't wanted to get a handprint, paw print, or whatever? Have you seen these kits? They're like great. And I'm thinking, oh yeah, I actually do have an ornament like this that I did when my daughter was just teeny-tiny, but she was only a couple months old, and hers turned out pretty good. So, yeah. I'm thinking this one, what could go wrong, right? Oh, yeah, that dog is, a ghost. That would be like me trying to get my puppy to, oh, yeah. Ew. Yeah, that was kind of a waste. Wreaths are something that, you love them for the front door all year round. And I actually looked at this one and thought, oh, that doesn't look too hard. Gosh, look at that. Oh, That's beautiful. And they're just like kind of like maybe glued together. That doesn't look that difficult. Let's see. Oh. 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 Looks like a scarecrow, a skeleton. That's the skeleton. That is the skeleton wreath. Yeah, just keep trying. Come on. Keep trying. Oh, I have actually thought about, I've seen this craft so many times and I absolutely love it. Because, you know, you can get those like little doilies at the Dollar Tree, you know, and I'm thinking maybe 4 or 5 of them is all you're going to need. So you kind of do the, like on a balloon or whatever to do. Okay, so let's see what happens. I really am interested in this one. Oh no. Okay, so maybe go buy a lamp. It kind of just looks like a big old garbage sack. Okay, here's another one. We'll look at this one real cute, real fast. Whoever thought it was a good idea to stamp your baby's hand on a Christmas ball? I mean, it's a great idea, like in theory, but did anybody really think that out? Because I'm saying no. I'm saying no. You did not think this through. This would happen to me, I promise. This one would happen to me. I'm pretty sure I could have done this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, they put all the time to upholster the chair and they put it on upside down. Oh, that's sad. That's so sad. What about nail art? This like nail string art that like used to be a really popular thing. I'm thinking this is pretty simple. This is like just little, you know, little circles. How can you mess up a circle? Let's see. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Well, oh. Well, for one thing, there is only 2 circles there, so you kind of got that messed up. I think, I don't know. Just redo it. Okay, have y'all seen this? I've seen like the pennies. I actually know somebody who made a penny floor with resin and theirs turned out great. So this one is with bottle caps. That is a lot of stinking bottle caps. So let's see what happened. What is that? What is that? Why is it brown? I don't, there are no words for this. I don't know. I don't know what they did. Okay, let's look at some holiday plates. I actually see a lot of craft videos on YouTube. This is a really beautiful plate though. So let's see what happened. Yeah, I knew it. That's exactly what happens. And then I'm not sure, you can't really eat on it. So I don't know. It's beautiful. Yeah, buy one. Just buy one. Oh, I love this. The pine cone. How do they have those hung on there? I don't know. It's beautiful. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So let's see. Oh. Oh. Seriously? Really? What'd you put them on there with? Santa ain't coming to your door. Okay, let's go to the next one. In what universe did you think this was going to be okay? I don't, is that like a baby? Is that like it looks like, feel like it's a little baby thing. Oh my God, who would want a deer head over the crib? A dead, like, ooh, I can't even. I don't know what you were trying to do, but don't. Just don't. No. Stop it. Right now. Okay, last one. And I've actually seen this done a whole lot of times. Um, and this is not really Christmas. I really, have you seen those fairy lights? You DIY them. I mean, I love them. So beautiful. So what happened with this one? Oh my God. What is that? Oh, I can't look. I can't look at it. Oh, those fairies. It's like a cesspool for fairies. Like, that's the swamp fairies. That is the swamp fairies. Oh, oh, that's bad. Maybe that's just toxic. I think you should just, maybe you should find a new hobby. I'm just saying. Take up, like, needlework. Don't kill the fairies. Don't kill the fairies. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this fail video, and I honestly feel better about myself and my fails. So I'm going to be sharing some DIY fails and hopefully fixes. Okay, the thing is, I haven't actually fixed them yet. I have hope, everlasting hope, that one day I will be able to make something pretty out of it. So I'll take you on that journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any more fails, let me know. What do you want to see? Tell me in the comments below. What do you want to see? Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.